Struggling with the website that doesn't deliver? Google studies show that a bad web experience can lead to your ideal customer clicking off your site as high as 90%, with the rate of mobile and laptop users skyrocketing in 2023. Studies show online sales dropping by 84% for poorly designed company websites. Your solution, Effortless Designs. Compared to everyone else, our sites are more affordable, easier to use, and generate more sales for your online brand. We are not only endorsed by celebrities, but by business owners just like you. CRO stands for Conversion Rate Optimization. Our professional copywriters tweak your website's design and messaging by using clear call to actions and proven copyright strategies. CRO helps you convert more website visitors into paying customers. Google ranking. We use XML sitemaps to help search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo discover your website and rank it higher in search results. Boosting sales organically from day one. Heat maps. We use heat maps to track customers' user experience while using your website. This guarantees that all of our websites launch with the highest possible chance of conversions and sales. Promo video. We produce a custom explainer video for your business and website, highlighting your services and products. Custom explainer videos are known to boost sales by a whopping 92%. You can also use this video to advertise on social media campaigns. Wireframing. Wireframes are the blueprint of your online business. We start with hand-drawn sketches and move it to state-of-the-art software. Wireframes ensure a smooth user experience when you decide to place it on different app stores. Most companies take several years to achieve this level. This gives you an advantage on your competition and reassures more customers and sales through word of mouth. From boosting sales and brand awareness with built-in marketing tools to future-proofing your website for computers of the future, Effortless Designs has crafted the perfect system to grow online and is ready to guide you every step of the way, powering the growth of hundreds of companies of all sizes. We are determined to make businesses grow online. My only question is, will it be yours?